how to copy and paste and make money online in 2022. This is worldwide. So I'm super excited. This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. I just woke up, just got my coffee, and I want to talk to you about how you can start copying and pasting pre-written ads, right, on social media and start making money online this month, right? So you can see right here, this is another notification that I just received last night, right before going to sleep. Another $300 commission, as you can see right here, and that happened 10 hours ago. That was at 9:17 p.m. and it has been $600 made within the last 48 hours. So I want to show you exactly how you can start creating these type of results, gaining the knowledge, copying and pasting my six-figure blueprint to help you start making money online. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and describe exactly what this opportunity is. And I've been using this model, this business model, for the past 6 years, right? I used to have my 9-to-5 jobs, 2 9-to-5 jobs, and I was able to quit them by following this business model, which is copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, which we show you exactly how to do. So as you can see right here, how you can earn unlimited $300 commissions by copying and pasting my six-figure blueprint. And a really cool thing about this opportunity that I'm about to talk to you about, there are no monthly fees, okay? You earn 100% of the commissions, and you earn $300 per commission. And of course, you're going to also be added to my coaching group. We have a community of thriving entrepreneurs there, right? If you ever have questions, you can always comment down in the group. And we have live coaching sessions. Next week, I'm going to do a live coaching session for my team where I'm going to show them exactly how I closed a $300 sale in about 5 minutes of conversation. So I'm super excited for that. You don't want to miss this out. And really cool thing about this opportunity, which is the infinity processing system, is that, you can be promoting another primary business at the moment, and that is completely fine. But what's inside infinity processing system, right? The knowledge that you can gain, which is my exact strategies that I have used to make multiple six figures online, the strategies that I use to help me quit my 9-to-5 job. You're going to be able to find this knowledge inside of IPS at the pro level, right? Which is only a one-time payment of $300. Once you dive into the training, you're going to have a clear path, a clear vision of what you need to do to hit your next target goal, right? I show you a ton of stuff. I show you exactly how to create your six-figure marketing funnel. I show you how to copy and paste pre-written ads. I just don't show you what to do, but I show you how to do it, which is really, really important. I show you exactly what my 7-day action plan for success is, what things I do, right? If you don't have clarity on what you need to do, of what type of daily income producing activities that you need to do to start creating results, you're going to get access to what I do to create, generate $600 in 48 hours. You're going to be able to see a clear path of what you need to be doing on a daily basis to start creating results if you are still not creating any results within your primary business or anything else you want to make sure you take advantage of this opportunity, right? And a lot of people's problem is, right, just growing inside of this marketing industry, is that they run out of content. They don't know where, what type of ads to create. Maybe they're not creative enough. And so I've already done 200 pre-written ads for you. And what you're going to be doing is pasting these ads in the different platforms that I show you. And I show you not only where to paste them, but how to paste these ads to get maximum results. And really cool thing, you're going to learn about Facebook marketing mastery, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing. Okay. And you have also at the $300 level, that pro level, it's an extra bonus. Okay. You get hotel vouchers and vacation vouchers, which is priceless as well. Anyway, so I am super excited to be working with you. I only want to work with people, right? If you are somebody that is committed to build success within your affiliate marketing business, I want to work with you, right? Only if you're committed for the next 60 to 90 days. If that is you, go ahead and get started, okay? Go to the website. I'm going to show you how to get to that website. Okay, go to the website and come all in, right? You can watch the video, you can read, right? This is the most highly recommended. Coming in at the pro level, okay, you do position yourself to earn the unlimited $300 commissions, the $150 commissions, and the $50 commissions. This is the most popular level that people are coming into because they don't want to miss out on any commissions, right? If you come in at the $50 level, yes, you are going to receive value, but at the $50 level, you will only be able to receive $50 commissions. If somebody comes in and they want to, purchase the pro level from you, you're gonna miss out on that commission, right? Plus, at the pro level, you do get the 6-figure blueprint, which is exactly what you want to get access to, right? Where I'm going to show you exactly every single strategy that you can start learning and start applying right away to do that turnover for your business. So go ahead and take action. Go ahead and visit the website infinityprocessingsystem.com and take action. If you have any questions, feel free to message me directly on through my Facebook, and I'll reply right back to you. Anyways, have an amazing day, and I will see you at the top.